What's poppin', gang? Today I'm going to be recording this song using the Neumann TLM 103 and the Neve 1073. I promise you guys, if you have a Neumann TLM 103 or a U87, you gotta have a preamp because that just changed your mix to the next level and makes your mixes sound way better. If you want more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button, helps out with the channel. Also hit that notification bell so you be notified about more videos like this. All right, gang, so I gotta record a song today, so I just thought, why not just bring you guys along and just show you why you guys need this Neve 1073 preamp and just talk about my experiences with using the plugins versus using the hardware. You know what I'm saying? Got my Neve 1073 right here, looking pretty, looking nice. I'm about to go ahead and show you exactly how I made the beat real quick, and then I'm going to go into recording with the Neve 1073 preamp that's sitting so nice and dearly over there. Got my lights and stuff set up because I'm about to jump into the other view in a minute. Without wasting too much time, let me go ahead and just jump into how I made this beat real quick. More than likely going to go ahead and release this song probably on Friday. So on Friday, guys, be ready. Just go ahead and like the video and everything when I drop it on Friday. And if you want to hear the song that I'm finishing in this video, there'll be a link at the top right or whatever, whenever it's out, which will be on Friday. So but yeah, let's go ahead and jump into how I made the beat real quick. All right, gang, so I switched to the other view real quick just to show you how I made the beat. And I got my mic set up already, ready to go for me to record the song and everything. But I want to go ahead and show you how I made the beat. So I started off with this piano here. Basically, I just wanted to get these notes. I heard this in my head, like when I literally got done with the beat, and then I heard this note in my head. So I immediately went to making the beat. So I heard these notes here, and then I added these bottom notes. So the piano that I'm using is the FL keys, and it just sounds fine. You know what I'm saying? But let's hear real quick. So it's important that I show you that because I basically use those same notes for the entire beat. You know what I'm saying? So basically I took those same exact notes and I added them into Omnisphere with the PR12. I don't know how I found this sound, but it sounds really dope and I really love it. Let's hear it real quick. Next, I found like this bass note or bass lead that I can use in the beginning of the track when there's like no beat playing or stuff like that. And I literally copy and paste the same melody in there, and this is what it came up with. And the sound that I'm using is from Omnisphere called Unstable Star. So I mean, there you go. So next, I pretty much added those same exact notes to another different sound, which is like a bell. And it's from Omnisphere again, and it's called D50 Stuck in the 80s. I don't know how I found this sound, but it sounds pretty good, to be honest. But literally the exact same notes as before. So next, let's go into the hi-hats. I added a clap in there. You guys know how to add a clap, so there's no point in going over that. But here's the hi-hats real quick. You know, added a few little rolls here and there, and it's very crucial where you put the rolls at because if you put them in a certain spot, they sound amazing. You know what I'm saying? So just keep an eye on that. Don't do them too low. I know some people do their rolls real low, but let's listen to the rolls real quick. Next, I added the 808 to it, and that's pretty much it. Like, here's the 808 if you want to hear it real quick. Very simple beat, you know what I'm saying? That's basically it. And now let's go ahead and jump into recording the song real quick. All right, gang, so I just want to show you real quick. I have the Neumann TLM 103, and it's going, this chord is going straight into the Neve 1073. And on the output, there's literally an output that goes straight into the interface on the universal audio. Make sure your preamp, where the mic is plugged into, is turned all the way down. There's literally no levels or gain or anything coming like that out of here. It's all coming from the preamp for my microphone, okay? You know, Universal Audio will make sure like you don't mess this up because they don't allow you to have 48 phantom power coming in to the line level. You know what I'm saying? I can't press the phantom power at all. You know what I'm saying? Because you don't need it from there. You need it from your preamp. You know what I'm saying? I heard a few people asking, how do what's the best length from the microphone, like that you need to be and all that. You know what I'm saying? So look, I have the microphone here, and what you want to do is you want to have your hand like this, right? Put it right here, and then put the pop filter on your other part of your hand. You know what I'm saying? And literally that length right there is good enough. Like you don't need to be too far to anything. Some of you might ask, why do I have this upside down? You know what I'm saying? Personally, just from like testing and just trying things out, I felt like it sounded better with it being upside down and versus like it being the other way around, because I don't have, as you can see, I don't have padding on my ceiling. You know what I'm saying? So when you have it like this, it kind of reflects the sounds coming from the opposite way, right? Which is the ceiling, and I don't want the sounds bouncing up from the ceiling into the microphone. So closer to the ground that I could be, the less reverb and stuff like that from the room that I get. And you know, I got a rug down here, so kind of helps out. All right, gang, so I got the beat pulled up, ready to go, and I'm trying to come up with something to go with it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna figure it out. I got my wine with me. Yes, sir. We don't do that, hey. Okay. Okay, I think I got it. All right, so you know whenever you in a situation, right, and somebody just like getting on your nerves, or they're, you know, just saying some annoying stuff and you just want them to go away, just be like, don't do that. You know what I'm saying? Bitch, don't do that. They calling your phone, hitting you up, but hey man, were you at the crime scene? Hey, don't do that. You know what I'm saying? Hey, was you there when you, don't do that. Don't call my phone, ask me was I there at the crime scene. If there was a crime scene, I was never near it. I don't know what you're talking about. Don't blow my phone up, wasting my time. Don't do that. You feel me? I think that's what I'm gonna go with, so. All right, so I got the Pro Tools template ready to go. It's pulled up. And if you guys want to download this session, there'll be a link in the description. We can download this whole Pro Tools template that I use for my songs. I highly recommend it. You get fast industry quality music. And also click the link at the top right if you want to hear the full song already. But let's go ahead and record the song. I think I'm ready to go. I need to find my headphones. Yep, here we go. Yes, sir. Okay. Yes, sir. Let me plug in my headphones. I just hit it once and now she wanna ring. I got diamonds on my body, I'm a king. Okay. I'm gonna keep that right there. I'm gonna move on to the next. It probably sound crazy without auto-tune, but we got auto-tune in this bitch. Once and now wanna ring. I got diamonds on my body, I'm a king. I know you sleep while I walk you in a dream. Nigga better back up, know that I'm lit, they want the cream. Niggas itching, trying to get back on my team. Talking that shit, I'ma pull with a Glock 19. So a lot of what I be doing, I take a couple takes, stop it, then move it up, you know what I mean? And then drop it down. Boom, nigga, what is the ask for? All right, so I got the hook recorded. Let's go ahead and hear it real quick, you know what I'm saying? I just hit it once, now she wanna ring. Bitch, don't do that. I got diamonds on my body, I'm a king. Bitch, don't do that. I know you sleep, and I'll walk you in a dream. Bitch, don't do that. Nigga better back up, know that I'm lit, they want the cream. Bitch, don't do that. Niggas itching, tryna get back on my team. Bitch, don't do that. You talking shit, little bitch, I pull with a Glock 19. Bitch, don't do that. Yes, sir. Yeah, so I like that right there. So let's go ahead and do the verse real quick. Real quick, gang, if you guys don't know already, if you get that template that I use for Pro Tools and stuff like that, link in the description, you literally just make sure you put the beat on the instrumental track, because I had some questions about that. And then you hit this little I button on, you know, this track right here, just so you can hear everything. And then you go down to this track, this little track right here. It's gonna say something else like record or something like that. Like this track right here is gonna say something like record or something like that. But then you go ahead and me personally, I like to record everything through my universal audio sound and everything like that. So I don't really monitor my music through Pro Tools. But yeah, so I monitor through universal audio, and I go ahead and just mute that track and record through here and drag it, drop it down to whichever spot that I'm going to use it to for the hook or the verse, which is up here. All right, so I think I got something for the verse now. This shit fire, bro. I can't wait till I drop this song, man. I'm gonna drop it on Friday, just cause I feel like it's just so dope. You know what I'm saying? So click the card up right here if you want to hear the song right now, if it's out already. If it's not out, then go ahead and just wait until it drops, you know what I'm saying? And then when it drops, go ahead and hit some fire emojis in the comments, you feel me? Let's go. I had to refill my cup, you know what I'm saying? But let's go ahead and record that thing. Light 19, ready to go. Thumbs flooded out on my wrist. Turn the bitch, make a kiss, make a wish. Step back and beat up the lips. Step it back, but they beat up your lip. Get a Glock 19 on my hip. I'm about to clean up the clip. They listening, they got the chip. We're winning like championships. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and chop that up and then add that into my verse. All right, so I got my verse I've recorded in this track right here that I'm still working on right now. So yeah, I pushed this up to the verse track, you know what I'm saying? What I'm gonna basically do is just cut it up and bring it in where it needs to be, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, don't try to come in between. Bitch, don't do that. Flood out on my wrist. Show that bitch, make a kick, make a wish. Step back and beat on your lip. Step it back, but the beat up your lip. Get the Glock 19 on my hip. I'm about to clean up the clip. They listening, they got the chip. We winning like championships. Yeah, so that's basically what I do. This is my whole session, like what I basically do when I'm actually recording. I just break it up, you know what I'm saying, line by line. Make sure it all sounds right, you know what I'm saying. Get on the mixing, basically. All right, gang, so I went ahead and finished my verse, both verses, you know what I'm saying. I just can't wait for this thing to drop, you know what I'm saying. Friday will be done. I went ahead, like I said, bro, both verses is done, you feel me? That verse is done. We got the second verse over here. Both ad-libs, you know what I'm saying? My sessions look simple. I don't like a whole bunch of this, that, and the third, you know what I'm saying? Hook, verse, ad-libs. That's all I need, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Little bitch, I pull up with a Glock 19. Bitch, don't do that. Don't be coming for asking me what I need to see. I'm by my paper, little bitch, don't try to come in between. Bitch, don't do that. I'm sort of the how I read. Tell the bitch, blow a kiss, make a wish. Step it back, make the beat on your lip. Step it back, make the beat on your lip. I think like 19 on my hip. I'm about to clean up the clip. They listening, they got the chip. We winning like championships. Send it back to the game, make a flip. That baby, she make a skip. Like I said, man, I can't wait till this song drops. It will drop on Friday. If you guys want more videos like this, let me know in the comments. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see on this channel. You guys stay safe. And remember, it's only a matter of time. Peace.